Assalamualaikum to our lecturer. I'm 2191009 Muhammad Razi bin Razak.
My name is Ahmad Wajidi bin Hamid.
My name is Muhammad Sharkawi bin Sazali. My matric number is 2190771.
My name Ashwan Nazlan bin Zulkifli. My matrix number 219077C.
My name is Muhammad Fathidini Ibrahimi. My matric number is 219073.
So today I want to share about a movie which is 12 Strong. So this movie is mainly about 12 US Special Forces who were sent to the Afghanistan a few days after the terror incident that destroyed the World Trade Center building on September 11, 2001. So this film seeks for present a strong drama story by starting from inside the house when Captain Mitch Nelson, which is the actor Chris Hemsworth, is on leave and playing with his wife and children. Adding to the dramatic side, even Mitch's daughter was the first to see the terror incident that occurred on televisions. So the incident prompted Mitch to go to war, even though he had previously asked to change division because he wanted to spend more time with his family. Mitch and his team went to the Afghanistan with a mission to defeat the Taliban and Al-Qaeda. He was determined to return home because of the promise he had made with his wife. So when they arrived at the US military base in Uzbekistan, the troops were asked to cooperate with General Dostum, with the actor is Navid Negahban. So the person is a general of the Northern Alliance. It wasn't easy. Mitch had to get rid of the suspicions between them in order to work together, especially because the number of troops they have is far less than the Taliban and Al-Qaeda. So with the existing limitation, Mitch and Dostum must conquer the Al-Qaeda and Taliban forces, which are equipped with a variety of sophisticated war weapons, including large tanks and missiles. Initially, Mitch's troops were assisted by airstrikes from the US military, but at a critical moment, the airstrike could no longer be launched. Finally, Mitch's troop, which only numbered 12 people, and General Dostum's army, which only had hundreds of cavalry and makeshift war equipment, rely on their courage to charge into the war zone and finish off their enemy directly. And lastly, they finally won.
US determined that the Taliban in Afghanistan is the source of many attack on US. So their first step is to confrontation the Taliban is to send the special force to link up with the North Alliance, which is the enemy of the Taliban, to help them in their fight against Taliban. So the second point is some of the strategy used to counter the terrorist attack, which is by using coordination air support to reduce the Taliban territory. Because without air support, the chance to win the fight is very low. Because the Taliban have the army power, for example, tank, armor carrier, and the anti-aircraft gun. Okay, that's all from me.
And for my point in this film, in this movie 12 Strong, for the problem and solution, so I take the scene in the first attack. There was bombed the inaccurate coordinate. So this is because of the graphical factor, so they move closer to the enemy to get the accurate coordinate. So next, the leadership strategies in the executing the mission, they split to group because they have not enough horse, and and it gave them privilege. So for the first group protecting the base, and the second group for the escort the general to go the next station or village.
Okay, the problem part in the movie, the alliance cannot attack enemy in bracket is Taliban at the hill because Taliban using the missile to counter him. Okay, and the solution, this is the very good idea from the Captain Nissan, because they give idea is to using the guerrilla attack to counter the missile. Okay, but the problem, they have 2 minutes to counter the missile, because during 2 minutes is Taliban need to reload the missile in the weapon. Okay, lastly, the alliance is success to counter this missile, and they kill the head of the Taliban.
My point in this event, the event that shown the leadership characteristic is when the commander of Afghanistan Northern Alliance, Khalid, decide to rush into the enemy fortress instead of running. Okay, the reason why I choose is because as we can see in the movie, the enemy having so much advantage, such as they have car, they have grenade launcher, they have they have missile launcher, they have rocket launcher, they also have anti-missile, they also have machine gun. So because of that, instead of running, the leader should have run, but because of his bravery, he by himself had rushed into the battlefield. Because of his action, he had put the spirit into his men and his soldier to also rush into the battlefield. So because of that, although they having so much advantage, they had win the fight and successfully kill the leader of the enemy side. Okay, so from my opinion, this show the true characteristic of leadership. For me, to become a leader, instead of just commanding his people or his men to rush into the battlefield, the leader need to be the first person to rush to the battlefield.